Welcome to the Amkette XS series Natural Wireless Mouse Help video. In this video, we'll guide you through what's included in the box, the key features of your mouse, how to connect it to your devices, and tips to get the most out of it. Let's get started. Let's start with the unboxing. As you lift the lid, you'll find a quick overview of the mouse, giving you an instant look at the essential buttons. You'll find the XS series Natural Wireless Mouse, a USB receiver for 2.4 GHz connectivity, a USB Type-C charging cable, a quick start guide to help you get going, and a warranty card. Let's get familiar with the mouse and its design. It features an ergonomic vertical curve that supports your hand's natural posture, helping reduce wrist strain and fatigue during extended use. The mouse comes with dual scroll wheel, allowing both horizontal and vertical scrolling with smooth precision. You'll find the DPI adjustment button just below the main scroll wheel. On the side, there are forward and backward buttons that make web browsing and file navigation faster. The mouse includes a built-in 800 mAh rechargeable battery, which can be charged using the USB Type-C port on the front. At the bottom, you'll find the power switch, the mode switch button, and mode indicator lights, red for 2.4G wireless, blue for Bluetooth 1, and green for Bluetooth 2. Getting started is simple. For 2.4 GHz wireless connection, take out the USB receiver from the slot at the bottom of the mouse, plug it into your computer's USB port. Turn on the mouse and switch it to 2.4G mode, and you are ready to go. For Bluetooth connection, long press the mode switch button at the bottom of the mouse until the indicator light starts blinking rapidly. This means the mouse is in pairing mode. Search for the device name on your computer, tablet, or smartphone. For example, XS Natural One. Once paired, you can repeat the process to connect up to 2 more devices. This lets you seamlessly switch between your desktop, laptop, and tablet without reconnecting every time. The XS series Natural is built to deliver both comfort and performance. It uses Kyle silent switches, known for their exceptional durability and whisper-quiet operation, rated for up to 5 million clicks. Its high-precision optical sensor ensures accurate, responsive tracking on nearly any surface, making it ideal for both work and creative tasks. The UPE material pads at the base ensure ultra-smooth gliding with minimal friction, while the rubber-treaded scroll wheel offers a comfortable grip for precise control. With a rechargeable 800 mAh battery and USB-C fast charging, it can be used while it's plugged in. That's everything you need to know about your XS series Natural Wireless Mouse. Thank you for choosing Amkette.